This is really good. Hey guys, welcome back. So I told you guys I was going to be filming what I'm going to be eating today. Like, I'm so excited to be eating again. I've waited so long for this day to come, so it's finally here, and you can tell obviously I'm in my kitchen. I'm about to prepare what I'm going to be having as my first meal, which is going to be my fast breaker. So I'm going to be having probably 3 meals today, not like huge meal, no. And one advice I want to give you, in case you don't know, is if you want to break your fast, don't just say because you fasted for so time or for so long, for that reason you have to eat huge meal at once, all at once. No, you don't have to do that, because you're probably going to be, upsetting your stomach or your gut. So you don't want to do that. You want to start gradually, like taking it in gradually. Even when you are eating the food, eat it slowly, okay? Yeah. So usually I break my fast with fruits, but since I was on a smoothie challenge, I don't think I have to still end it with fruits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all drink some water, just plain water, and after some minutes I'll go ahead and eat what I'm going to be making. And I'm going to be eating turkey pepper soup. So I'm going to show you how I make it. It's very quick and simple to put together. I'm not going to stand here and tell you what to eat and what not to eat, but I'm just going to show you what I myself will be eating, okay? You can do your research, you can watch videos on what to eat after breaking a 7-day fast. This is what I came up with in my mind, because before today I've been planning on what to eat in my mind. I'm going to be taking it gradually, slowly. I'm not going to rush into eating until maybe like tomorrow I'll start my normal way of eating. Yeah, so I hope you find this video helpful anyways, and let's start making the food, because right now I'm beginning to feel hungry. Not too hungry though, but I feel hungry. Sha. I'm going to be drinking this glass. You can see that. And this is warm water, by the way. Warm. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's just warm, not room temperature, warm water. So I'm going to sip it in gradually. All gone. Alright guys, so I'm ready to eat now, and I allowed it to cool down because I don't want to eat it very hot. I want it to be warm enough for me to eat. So come and join me. Oh Lord, bless this food as I'm about to eat. Let it be to the nourishment of my body. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. First test. Oh, you need to try this. Oh, it tastes really good. Oh my God, this is so good. just perfect. Like, this is perfect. This tastes really delicious. I'm not even exaggerating, it tastes so good. All the ingredients are just right and perfect. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I'm breaking my fast at 10:42 a.m. This is 10:42 in the morning, so in case. And the turkey is very, very soft. I made it to be really soft so it can be easier to digest, okay? This is really good. Wow. Okay, I'm going to eat it and then wait for some hours. If I feel more hungry, I'll just go ahead and eat something else, okay? And I will also show you guys what I'll be eating, so make sure you don't click away. All right, see you later, okay? So I ended up finishing everything because it was that delicious. And to be honest, guys, it's not really much. This is my bowl, very little bowl like that. It's not much. So I'm going to drink some water now and go have some rest. Honestly, I don't think I'll be doing any exercise today. Like, today is going to be my rest day. I'm going to rest all throughout today and probably start doing any form of exercise tomorrow, okay? Yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on that because yeah, I need to reward myself today. Okay guys, see you when I'll be having my next meal. So for lunch, I'm going to be having, or for my second meal, I'm going to be having some avocados. This is half of an avocado. This is an egg, but it's not up to one. This is just, it's not even up to half of an egg. So yeah, and these are shrimp. This is turkey, and this is 1 cup of cooked rice. And then I have my stew there, or sauce, whichever one you call it. And this is 1:03. This is 1 p.m. So I'm hungry and I want to eat. Like, I really need to eat this right now. So you remember the pepper soup I made before, and this one I made it yesterday. This is the sauce you saw on the rice. I made this one yesterday because I don't want to cook much today because I know I'll be feeling very hungry. So that was why I made it yesterday. And this is the white rice. Yeah, just a cup. And this is the cup I used to measure it. You can see it there. This is 1 cup, okay? And if you need a recipe for this stew, do make sure to click the link in the description box below. Honestly, you're going to love this stew, okay? It's very easy to make and you will love it. Trust me. So let me go and eat. Okay guys, I'll see you in the evening when I'll be having my dinner. For dinner, I think I'll be having some salad. I don't know yet, but I'll show you what I'm eating, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so after today I'll probably start my 1 meal a day from tomorrow, or maybe from next tomorrow. I don't know when I'll start, either tomorrow or next tomorrow, but I'm going to go back to my normal schedule, you know, my 1 meal a day and my exercise routine. Some days I eat 2 meals a day depending on how I'm feeling or how hungry I'm feeling as well. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know about that, so stay tuned till evening time, okay? Hey guys, so welcome back. And once again, I'm in my balcony. I don't know, for some reason I'm enjoying filming here in my balcony. So I just wanted to update you guys again. This is 7:26 p.m. You can see it there, 7:26 p.m. and I'm not feeling too hungry, to be honest. Like, I can go to bed now without eating anything. Yeah, so I'm not going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be eating because I'm not going to be eating. But if I feel too hungry that I can't sleep well, I'll just go and grab my leftover watermelon and the pineapple, which I showed in the other video. But I don't think I'll be doing that because I feel good now. Like, I don't feel like eating anything. So once it's time for bed, I'm just going to go lie down and sleep. Okay, man shall not live by bread alone. I think the ones I ate earlier, is still in my tummy. So I feel good overall, I must say. To be honest, I feel good. I've not had any bad experience as in after eating the meal. For someone that fasted for 7 days without eating cooked food, I saw some videos saying that if you don't eat properly, it's going to upset your stomach, which is absolutely true. If you dive into the food, like if you rush the food, you might get stomach upset, you might get bloating, you might get anything at all. So I'm not feeling anything, no bloating, no stomach upset. I feel very good. Like, if I'm not feeling good, I'll let you guys know, but I feel so good. So yeah, that's the plain truth. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'm going to be ending this video here. I don't want it to be long, okay? I just want it to be very short and simple. Thank you guys for coming along this journey with me. And please, I keep saying it, if you have any question regarding the previous video, the smoothie challenge, leave it in the comment section below and I will sure make a video answering your questions. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Be safe out there and take good care of yourself. I love you guys and I'll see you all in my next video. Good night. Bye. Ciao.